Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back again to our channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or video requests, make sure to drop a below in a comment. I will be happy to provide you information you need or even make a video for you. And in this video, there is no intro because this is a very simple video compared to the videos I usually make. If you don't know, I always make complicated things that you cannot do on the team editor, but I keep getting the same question, how to change the name, how to change the logo, how to add the logo. And I keep getting this question like on my Instagram or my YouTube channel, everywhere. So I'm tired of replying the same question over and over. I get to make a video on whoever get the same question, you can watch the video and do the thing you're trying to do, which is adding a logo to your Shopify store. But if you are a subscriber, you already know I don't share simple things. So I will make this video special and I will share with you 2 codes or 3, actually just 2. One will make the logo glow on hover, and the other one, you can animate the logo. So if you want to add your own logo to your Shopify store, this video will help you out. And if you want to add the glow effect on hover, once you hover over it, it glows, this video will help you out. And if you want to make the logo animated, just the picture logo will be animated, this video will help you out. And the codes is free as always. Yeah, sorry, I don't feel comfortable doing simple things, so I have to spice it up a little bit. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is Shopify down team. I always start with completely new team, nothing on it, and I always customize it in videos. Everything you see here has been done in tutorials, literally like recent sales on your Shopify store. I did it by using custom code and many more things. As I said, we don't do simple things here. We only do the most complicated things and doing them for free and without using any applications. So this Shopify team, as you can see, already has a logo. I will not do demonstration on it. So let me close this one. Yeah, abandoned cart pop-up reminder. Yeah, I did that in videos and without any applications. So let me close this one and let me access this new horizon because it doesn't have a logo. Here it is, as you can see, still have the name, just like everyone is asking in my Instagram, how could to remove the name? You have to apply a logo to remove the name. So we will add a logo to this one. To do so, simply click on customize button for the theme you are using, of course. In my case, in here, I'm gonna click on customize button and it will open up the theme editor on your Shopify store. And simply click on the settings icon at the top left corner, this one right here, click on it and you will see some options below the theme settings. And the first one should be logo and favicon. And simply click on it to be expanded and you can select the default logo. So click on it and select a logo. Let me select my own logo. So I already added the logo. Now we will resize it. And by the way, if you have inverse logo, make sure to add it. So we will resize the logo. Then I will show you how to apply the codes that will make the logo glow and hover and also animate it. And no worries, very simple. Just copy and paste. Now we'll show you where to paste it. It's very simple. So simply to resize it, click on the header like this on this new theme. Down team, I will show you how to do that. Then you will see logo in here, as you can see. Simply click on it again, and on the right of the page, you will see size desktop height. If you resize this, it will make it smaller. As you can see, you can adjust this to make the logo suits the header. Now let me jump back to down and the other teams that have different settings. So as you can see on down team, it's actually have this resizing option in the logo selection. Below the logo selection, you will see the resizing in here. Now how to make it animated. And if you are wondering how it looks like, you can see right now. I will share with you 8 animations, and this is one of them. As you can see, it pulls and it increases in size and rotate. There is a combination of animations. To do so, simply get back in here. On the theme you are using, click on the 3 dots on left of customize and click on edit code. In my case, I'm gonna do it on this theme, as I said, because it doesn't have logo. I just added a logo now. Then it will open up the code editor for your Shopify theme. And in here, use the search bar to search for a file called base.css. And this file exists on every theme. So simply search for base and you will see base.css. Click on it, then scroll all the way down. It's a huge file. Then in here at the bottom of the file, we need to create some space. Simply click front of the last thing, my case is closing bracket, then hit enter on your keyboard. Here we go. We have a space to paste in our code. When you're gonna get that code from my description box, scroll down the description box and you will see a link. My website, completely free. Then click on it and it will open up this website right here and you will see some codes. So the first one, as you can see, it says glow logo on hover, and this is for down team and the other variants. By the other variants, I'm a refresh, sense, spotlight, and so on. And this code below is for the same glow logo However, it's for Horizon and the other new teams that were released with it. So pick and choose which one you want to use. In your case, if you're using down, use this code right here, copy the link for it. If you're using Horizon, copy this one. I'm using Horizon now, I'm gonna copy this one, then simply get back in here and paste it in the space that we did create. Click on save. Now wait for a couple of seconds. Now let's just get back to the store, reload the page and see it in action. Here is the logo and check it out. Once I hover over it, it glows as you can see. And it has this smooth transition. Now, how to make it animated. First, I have to remove this code because you can only use one of them. So let me remove this one and get back in here to make it animated. Scroll down a little bit and you will see code, animated logo, Horizon, and the others. And if you use down, simply scroll all the way down and you will see animated code, animated logo, sorry, down and the others. And this one's for down. Let me explain basically so you don't get confused. So as you can see, there is number one, this is comment, not a code. Number one, continuous pulse effect. So this, I added description so you can understand what each animation does. This one is animation. This one is animation. I mean, the code for it is this one below, as you can see, from the dot to the closing bracket. Again, from dot to closing bracket, and the same for the others. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see combinations effects. This one is pulse or rotation. This one is breathing and float. I like this one, so I'm gonna use this one. Copy from the dot to closing bracket, copy the code, get back in here and paste it in the space that we did create. Click on save. Now wait for a couple of seconds, it save it, get back in here, reload the page and see the animation. And here it is, as you can see. And that's how you add your own logo to your Shopify store and also make it animated or make it glow. So you can choose which one you want to use. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.